Hey, I'm Micah Mathern. I have my LMSW from LSU, and I am one of the therapists at St. Christopher's Extended Care Program. So we utilize art therapy here at St. Christopher's. I also am able to utilize it with Magnolia Springs with our female population. Art therapy is utilized for multiple reasons. Very simply put, it's utilized for relaxation technique, being able to turn on some music and free paint whatever comes to mind. It can also be structured and can allow somebody to process emotion without realizing they're processing emotion. So I do have a few examples that I think would be helpful to share. One of the examples here, when we did this art assignment, the question was, what does it feel like to process pain and healing? And so this person painted a full black background with some color in the middle. And for that person, it was that sense of like, I feel like I'm coming out of my darkness. I have the ability to heal and to change. We also have this one, which we utilized, it was being able to paint spirituality. What does spirituality mean to you? And for this person, it was very much nature and animals and being able to bring himself there to meet his spirituality. And then, as I was talking about, we do different types of art therapy. Another one is just relaxation techniques. So doing things like structured coloring, finding different mandalas or other coloring pages just to have some structure there where somebody can just sit quietly for a little bit, escape their mind, and focus all their attention on art therapy, which is also a mindfulness skill that can be used. So I really like to utilize art therapy for a multitude of reasons. The main reason that I really like to use it, though, just centers around that when people are going through something, it's really hard to get them to sit down and just open up about it. But for art therapy, they sit down, whether in a group or individually, and they're by themselves with their canvas, and they're able to paint whatever comes to mind. And a lot of times when they first start painting, they're like, I have no clue what I want to paint about. And then at the end of it, they're like, hey, this has meaning. This meant something to me, or this showed something, or I learned something about myself. So I know a lot of times art therapy can be seen as one of those like time fillers, but it really does have great, lost my train of thought. Benefits, that's what I was trying to think of the word.